how to add a clock widget on your home screen like this one here. And this is for the Nothing Phone 2. Let's get started. Before you continue, be sure your phone has the latest software update as there were some bugs and glitches when it comes to add-in widgets. So now that's that all said and done, you'll want to go ahead and long press the blank area on your home screen like this here, and you'll see the option to get access to widgets right there. Once in the widgets section here, you can choose from the different clock styles. You have the nothing widgets here, which will give you these different kinds here. But this one here in particular will not be able to expand or get any bigger. So you want to go into the clock widgets itself, these right here. From here now, you can choose from either one of these. And if you wanted that analog style clock here, you want to hold it down and release it to the area you want it to be on, right? So once you're done with that here, this is going to show up like that here, and you'll be able to choose the different clock face styles from here, okay? And you can choose any one of these here. I'll go with this one here, and it's going to reappear like that, showing you the latest style you have selected. Now you can also go ahead and pull on these little tabs here to increase the size of your clock itself if you wanted a bigger clock. You can also tap on the edit option here and go back and choose another style. Also, if you want to make changes to it and you already came out of the clock widget itself, you'll just simply long press it once again. And when you release it, you'll notice the little tabs are on the side there again, as well as the edit icon here. And to remove this widget, just long press it and drag it up to where it says remove and it will be gone. And that's that for this tutorial. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.